and welcome back to the channel. I thought we'd do an unboxing on the House of Hitchcock limited edition collection. But first of all, I'm going to show you this. And we bought this before I got the House of Hitchcock collection. I've been wanting to see this for a while, and I got this from the pound shop, so you can't go wrong. And I'm a big fan of Anthony Hopkins. This is why I got this. So bargain. Don't know what it's like, but for £1 you can't go wrong. So here is the gem. Now this box is themed around the Psycho house, and there's links to his other movies in the windows, like The Birds, obviously, To Catch a Thief, all sorts. And you even have Hitchcock in the porch there, eyeing you up. So in this you have 18 movies on Blu-ray, and you have collectible memorabilia, and you have the Psycho house all the way around, and that's what you get inside. So the films, well, I'll show you the films when we open it. We'll have a look at all the merchandise. So to open it, you lift the top like so, and as you can see, you've got the man himself. And then you pull this little ribbon here, so we'll lay it down just so it's easier. And then you pull that, and all this goodness comes out. So first, should we look at the memorabilia first? So this is in, put that there. So pop that there, and this is what we've got. We've got the House of Hitchcock little envelope, so it's already open, and inside we have a little correspondence letter. Put that on there for now. And you have original letters to Alfred Hitchcock from John Williams. You all know what he's done. The composer of Family Plot, Evan Hunter, writer of The Birds, and Arthur LeBaron, writer of Frenzy. Open this. I'm not going to read all the letters out. So this is the first one. This is from John Williams, and this is him thanking Alfred Hitchcock for something he's received in the post with a signature on. So that is pretty cool. Then we have this one from Arthur LeBaron. There's a letter to read the Times this morning that you were going to film one of my books. So he's pretty chuffed about that, I'd say. And we have, these are so cool. And you have that one. Like I said, I'm not reading them all out because we haven't got all day, have we? Really? And there's that. So we have this for the Bates Motel, which you hang on your door. I will not be hanging this on my door. I wouldn't even be staying there, really. Well, I would, as long as I'm not in room 1. And that's just a cute little novelty item. I love that. And to go with the Bates Motel, I absolutely love this. I might actually get this framed. You have the blueprints for the Bates Motel. This is awesome. I might even try and do a little model off this because it's got all the measurements on. That's just so cool. Yes, this might be getting framed. Might even chuck that in the frame as well. It's just awesome. So sticking with the Bates Motel, you even get a notepad. How cool is this? I'd like to use it, but then I don't want to. I'm a bit like, shall I, don't know. So that's the Bates Motel goodness. Just piling it on the side there. Then you get a book about the man himself and some of the people that he worked with in his films. I'm not going to show you all of it because if you get it you might want to read it and act surprised. Now this one I'm going to have to rip this here. Ouch. So these are like from your storyboards. They are so cool. So in this scene from the birds, when you see all the birds on the frame, the majority of them birds were actually cut out. They weren't even real birds, but you don't notice because it's the silhouettes of the birds. Little movie fact for you there. So you get those cards. I can't get this off, so I'm going to have to put this at the back. Can't even rip it. And these are so cool. Look at all these. So these like little film cards with trivia on the back. So these are from all the films that are in the box. There's 17 films, so you should have 17 cards. These would be ace in a frame. Psycho! I watched Psycho 2 the other night. I've watched it many times. I actually quite like it. So there's your film cards. We go and get the movies out. Because on this, you can actually take this off, this bit of cardboard. And it's got the Psycho house on the back. Right, so now we're going to take the movies out. So there's the first one. You've got Topaz, Frenzy and Family Plot. And in this one, you've got Saboteur, Shadow of a Doubt, Rope, Stranger Than a Train, Dial M for Murder and Rear Window. And then you have Psycho, The Birds, Marine and Torn Curtain. And then you've got North by Northwest, Vertigo, The Man Who Knew Too Much, The Trouble with Harry and Catch a Thief. So, if you open that, you've got each individual disc. They are so cool. I cannot start. Can't wait to watch these. So cool. So there is your unboxing for the House of Hitchcock limited edition collection. Now this was, we got it from H&V, didn't we?
Yeah. The original price was 110, but they had it marked down, so we got it for 75.
Yeah.
At the end. It's really good.
So that is really good, and that's an early birthday present to me from Baz.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So good.
But it can never wait to give presents.
No, I can't.
No, so this is an early one to me. And I absolutely love it.
Oh, I'm waiting for my early one now.
Yeah. So yeah, I do love it, and I love stuff like this. I think it's amazables.
Okay guys, so if you enjoyed the unboxing of Hitchcock's, well, the House of Hitchcock Collector's Edition, please leave a like, hit that thumbs up, definitely. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and leave a comment, because we always answer comments, even if it's just leaving a like on the comments. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the vlog, like we say. So we'll see you guys in the next vlog. You take care of each other out there, guys. Bye.
Ta-ra.